Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss practical number 11. So the practical number 11 worksheet is given here. Initially you want to enter this worksheet in your Excel sheet. So after that you can set your column as you wish. So you can use any auto format in your worksheet. So set the cell range A6 to A11 to number. So here A6 to A11 you want to set the number, then just track here, you will be get the number values. Fifth, you need to find out the commission. So the formula is given here where the commission is equal to sales plus into commission rate. So here the commission is equal to sales into commission rate, then enter. So you will get the commissions. After that, sixth one, you need to find the bonus by using the if statement. If sales is greater than or equal to 5 lakhs, the bonus is 0.5% on the sales. Otherwise, the bonus is 0. So here, so based on the sales, you are going to calculate the bonus. So equal if, then logical test, sales is greater than or equal to 5 lakhs, then the bonus is sales into 0.5%. Otherwise the bonus is 0. Then enter. So you will be get the bonus. So finally you need to calculate the total. So the formula is given here. So bonus plus commission. So here commission plus bonus, then enter. So then these three you can easily do: total, highest, lowest. So for the total, just select these columns, then auto sum, highest, equal, max, then select the value range, then lowest, equal, min, then select the value range, enter. So track like this. So here E column, they are asking you to insert the percentage symbol and the 2 decimal places. So column E, just select the values and percentage symbol and the 2 decimal places. So then H column include dollars and 3 decimal places. So here H column, dollar symbol and the 3 decimal places. So then thereafter 11th one, center the worksheet vertically, horizontally, center on your page. So that's easily you can do. For your visibility, here you can insert the borders and also you can bold the things, headers, and increase the size. Here also you can apply bold, and here you can see the bonus, the text alignment is changed. So here you can easily change, align the direction of the text, you can change. Okay, so like this way you can complete the practical. Number 11.